Have you been putting off retrieving items from your attic because it seems like a daunting task? Don't worry, I'm here to help. Step 1. Safety first. Before entering the attic, make sure to wear appropriate clothing and footwear. Also, check for any potential hazards such as exposed nails or electrical wiring. Step 2. Clear a path. Ensure that the path leading to the attic is clear of obstacles and debris. This will make it easier to carry items up and down the stairs. Step 3. Use proper equipment. A sturdy ladder, flashlight, and gloves are essential when accessing the attic. Ensure that the ladder is secure and can support your weight. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you can safely and easily retrieve items from your attic. Remember, safety always comes first.